What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco. We're back again, guys. We're back in the music lab. You don't know what time it is. Today we got Rajah Wild, El Fuego. Let's get it. Yo, what's good? Don Mafia. It's your boy Jambisco. We're back in the building. Yo, family, wagwan. How y'all been? I hope y'all straight. I hope y'all been drinking your water. I hope y'all been staying prayed up. I hope y'all been staying healthy, staying fit. You see me? Hope y'all good guys. Without jokes on fun side, I hope y'all good guys. I hope y'all been taking care of each other. You know, taking care of yourself and your family. You know, stay prayed up. You know, stay healthy. You know. But anyway, guys, we're back in the building. You don't know what time it is. Today we got another track from Rajah Wild. Yeah, man, he dropped a new tune and a new video like a couple hours ago. Or was it yesterday? Is it me? A couple hours ago, and we're gonna check it out and see what's going on. See if it's say it a banger. But yeah, man, Rajah Wild. When I knew up and coming youth in the dancehall, man. You see me have songs such like Dung Spot and other songs. You know what I'm saying? They're not coming to me right now. But yeah, man, song like Dung Spot and damn, there's another one he has that I keep forgetting about. But anyway, yeah, but man do him thing, dog, style very different. Seem like a young youth in a game. You see me, he do the chop dance all very rugged and very rough, rugged type thing. You see me, yeah, rated, dog. Enough people, he's been catching a lot of attention lately on the scene. People are look out for him. You see me, and see where I'm going now. I think he Mali probably a friend. I think Mali mentioned him when I want him sang them and thing. You know what I'm saying? He's definitely making his moves and doing his things, and his video and music keep getting better and better. So we're here for it. So we even gonna hold a bit violent stronger. This is Rajah Wild, El Fuego. Let's get it.
Sinful. I rap back on that time now, man. Cash flow. Jets. Leave now.
El Fuego. Okay. The fire. Alright, let's go.
I'm apologetic, man. Never say. I'm still laying on me and I see fire last night. And when I see not for real, live a fast life. Listen, I got in on my bed, my can't ride. Got in on my tongue, the other dark eye. Don't make this look like a night.
Once I'm still under me and see from last night. Come on, I seen her for real and easy that? Yeah, man. The mutual is on fast like out here, the mutual, yeah, you see me, live life faster, so them things I'm experiencing more than now at them age, but yeah, man.
I know what's being no sound, yeah. Maybe not seen from a time, not reach now, yeah. This I just start right now, yeah. Instagram famous, it not spontaneous. Most I work up put in and stay so.
Man, so right now, my Instagram famous, it not spontaneous. Want to work to put in. As me never happen overnight for the G. Dog say I put in work for the
I dog money buy up cheap like Jamaican. And the big beast buy out a stage show. Shut a man and shut a man.
Yeah, man, bag up with Chip Black and Jamaica, man, big beast and thing, man. You have the money, man, you have to strong up the defense, them,
Yeah, shop tell a taxi, some no fear go. Eat for real, we travel with the El Fuego.
Man, some not take taxi, some we don't know where fear go. Easy now, man. You hear me?
We come and say me not dark, but me close to life. And we are trying to make it most of life. And I love sick client,
man, say not dark and close to light. Yeah, easy.
Fashion over my Scotia fine. See them for real and a pro to tie them a lead.
It's a fashion over the Scotia fine. Easy now? Yeah, man. Get the things that I want, I'm gonna find the money. I feel you that.
Bowl up them toes the time. Can't read, but me still find toes rhyme. If you know, say right now we.
Dog said, me can't read, but me still find toes rhyme. Easy now, dog. Hey. Dog, do me them money and do them.
Instagram famous, it not spontaneous. Want to work up put in and stay. So I don't money buy up cheap like Jamaican. And the big beast buy out a stage show.
It's a dub money buy up cheap Glock and Jamaican. Easy, big beast buy out a stadium.
Man, now when we shot a man here, so we tell a taxi, so no. We bring the heat for real, we travel with the El Fuego. And we are living dream.
Okay, we bring the heat for real, we travel with the El Fuego. Yeah, man, come and see why I'm naming it the fire. Mm-hmm. Yeah, man. Travel with the El Fuego, travel with the fire. Easy, you know?
If we wake up, before we wake up. Yeah, living dream, if we wake up. See the fuck. And now we a fucking place up, we'll stay fake up. Weekday be a walk, weekend stage show.
Easy, we are fucking place up. Easy, now, man. Easy,
Now
that.
nobody fear ask how my day go. If I no mula talk to me about pesos, carry Instagram famous, it no spot.
For no mullah, talk to me about pesos, man. You see me? Yeah, man.
Spontaneous, mount a
For the money, no make no sense. I hear me that. Easy, no?
work up put in a stay, so I dub money buy up chip like and Draco. And the big beast buy out a stage show. Shut a man now, me we shut a man here.
So, dub money by Chick Glock and be a dub money by Chip Glock and Draco. And the beast buy out a stage show money. Okay, use yourself that.
So tell a taxi, say me no know no fear. Bring me eat for real, we travel with the El Fuego. Me live a dream, how the fuck me for wake up.
Living the dream,
How
how
the
the
fuck me for wake up.
Easy now, man. So I reach another level, I live a dream to that. What me I wake up for? Easy now. Although we dreaming wide awake over here, cause we not deal with that to them. I say we dreaming wide awake and put in the work, cause we have to bring our dreams to reality. You see me? Flush floor. Easy now.
Yo, give me back your wall of that.
Summer Shandy.
Easy, man. Big up your damn self. Rajah Wild. Yeah, man. Big up yourself, man. Real dope track. Yeah, man. Rajah been doing this thing, man. I like how dog thing different, you know? Yeah, man. The El Fuego that talk about thing God in there one day. You see me? You say that chip will travel with the El Fuego. You see me? Dub money buy up Chip Glock and Draco. You see me? Big beast buy out a stage show money. You see me, dog? I live a dream. Why am I gonna wake up? You don't blame me, dog. Go and do your thing, man, Rajah. Live your dream, my G. You see me? Go and, buy up your thing, them strong up your defense, dog. And don't stay focused on the grind, dog, and keep on, achieving like you've been doing. Keep living a dream, bro. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, big up yourself. See, I have all 8 million thing in your video and thing. Yeah, man, like how Jamaica go on. All the artists, them a collab and thing and link up, That's what's up. Yeah, man. That I go bring the culture forward and bring the music forward. But yeah, man. Rajah Wild. Yeah, man. El Fuego. Rajah, big up yourself. People, if you like the one, they go show the artist some love and support. Make you know, sir. Jambisco and channel. You see me? Let me know what your favorite part was, guys. Drop your comments in the comment section. Drop your flags, emojis. Let me know where you're watching from. Get your shout out so you can get your, and put you all on the screen. You see me? So hit me. Let me know what you want me to react to next, and I'll get it done. You already know, and if I choose your comment, you're gonna be posted on the screen. You know, understand? So, yeah, guys. The next time, it's your boy Jambisco. Done. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.